ready? And put these toppings on there?
Yeah.
Okay, we got onions and peppers.
Yeah.
And sprinkle them on the pizza. And Mommy has some chicken. Can you go all the way around just like this?
Me.
You want to do the chicken?
Me.
Okay.
Mommy.
I'll do the onions. Good. I'll do the peppers.
Yeah.
And you do the chicken.
Me.
All the way around the pizza. And then look at Daddy and say, mm-mm. Look over at Daddy. Mm-mm. Come on, we're gonna make some pizza.
Yeah.
This is Mommy and Daddy's favorite pizza. Is it gonna be your favorite pizza too? You wanna do the peppers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me.
And you're gonna do the onions?
No.
No. Mommy will do the onions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Me. Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
No.
Good job. I'm gonna do some chicken too. This is gonna be so yummy. Presley's missing out. She's not big enough to eat pizza yet, huh? Good job, dear.
Mom.
You did it. Good job.
Me.
And you're gonna do the onions too? All right. You did it. Good job. Why don't we spread them around just a little bit? There, that looks good, right? Can you dump the rest of the chicken on there for me? Good job. Okay, now here comes the best part.
Yeah.
Guess what's next?
Oh, yeah.
Guess what?
Huh?
It's the cheese. Oh, and the bacon. Bacon. Yeah. Okay, you do the bacon. Very good. Some for Dylan. I saw you take a snitch.
Me.
You're just like your Pop-Pop. Your Pop-Pop used to do that too.
Me.
Put some cheese on there. Look at that. This is going to be one killer pizza. Good job. And dump the rest of the bacon on there. Yay, we're all done.
Me.
Okay, give Mommy high fives. We did it. Yeah! Yay!
Daddy.